Harsha, sir, Rayudu Garu, please start.
Rayudu Garu చాలా బాగా ఆడారు Rayudu Garu ఈ రోజు. కానీ one thing you have to say about Rayudu Garu. I've got a theory about Ambati Rayudu because in the series just before the World Cup, we used to have these chats around the pitch area. I wasn't doing the toss of the pitch report, but I like to be around and try and learn about what people are saying about the pitch. And he'd come by and we'd chat. He wasn't playing in that game, and we'd have a few chats. My feeling is that for all his fiery nature, he's got into a fight while driving. He's talked about the many dimensions that exist in physics, but I think underneath that fiery nature is someone who wants to be cared, and there are so many people like that. There's a reason he plays well for Chennai. And the reason he plays well for Chennai is that the greatest quality MS Dhoni has is he puts an arm around people and just lets them be. Just lets them be and says, right, I'm behind you. Doesn't matter. You go. Shane Watson, you don't play well for 7-8 matches. Doesn't matter. I know you're going to win me the final. Ambati Rayudu, you just go and play. It doesn't matter. And I think when he plays for Chennai Super Kings, that weight just goes off him. The burden just goes off him. And he can channel all that fiery energy into actually going out and playing. And you mentioned right at the start, what are the things that MS Dhoni did today? The reason Chennai Super King, like Manchester United in their glory days, always keep coming back is because they see a calm captain. Of course, they've got the players. I mean, 5 overs, 23 for 2, the game was running away from CSK. Right? 2 overs, 6 for 2, the game was going away. 4 overs, 44, 45 for no loss, the game was going away from CSK. Look at the number of times they came back. Lungi Giri, 2 overs, 29, he comes back and changes the game. Look at the roles they've played there. Ambati Rayudu, is a buccaneer. He makes 71 or 48. What an innings Faf du Plessis has played there. Yeah. Beautiful. Just there, knocking around. When the time comes, I'm there, So, I mean, Chennai Super Kings were the superior side today.
Rayudu Plessis, the partnership. Joy, really, that was the story today, wasn't it? The partnership.
No, absolutely. And I think it's a very interesting thing. If you look at the history of the last couple of years, two of the players who have made it count against Mumbai have been Harbhajan Singh and Rayudu. And both are people who have been discarded by, once it came to 2018, that big auction, Harbhajan went to Chennai, Rayudu went to Chennai. They weren't needed in Mumbai anymore. Mumbai had new stars, fresh blood coming in. So it's very interesting. So the way Rayudu plays it, and the other thing is that once he gets in form, he's just totally class. Ever since he was an India under-19 player, he looked, as a 17-year-old, he was an India under-19 player. He looked absolutely class. And you can't tell that the last real competitive game he's had is a T20 match for Hyderabad in November. And he wasn't doing great out there. He started off well in the T20, but then after that in the Mushtaq Ali, he hasn't done much at all. So this is like, he just turned it on. And exactly as Harsha said, that du Plessis at the other end, content to stay, riskless cricket, let the man on the other side take the risk, let the other man hit the big shots. I'll just be there supporting whichever the cast. And when it changed to Curran, du Plessis stayed in the same place. When Jadeja hit, du Plessis was still there. He just played the anchor role. When they talk about textbook anchor roles, du Plessis was that today.
Yeah, Harsha, also, I mean, you see Ambati Rayudu 71 or 48, and sometimes you can think that, oh man, maybe he was just swinging for the fences. There was maybe 1 or 2 shots that he wanted to hit from Abu Dhabi to Dubai, but otherwise, there was beautiful timing. The footwork, the way he was playing with the line of the bowlers, I think that just stood out today.
2 shots stood out for me. One, the 6 that he hit of Bumrah of the no ball. And then he charged Bumrah, if you remember at one point. Last ball of the over, he's bowled a decent over. He charged him and hit him back past him for 4. Why is he able to play those shots which look like he's cutting trees? Why is he able to play those shots? He's got the license to play those shots.
Yeah.
He's been told it's all right if you play those shots, because those are the kind of shots that if you don't believe yourself, you're not sure whether they'll come off, are the shots that you'll get a top edge that will go up in the air. But if you're confident, if you've got a captain who's saying that doesn't matter, you play your game, then those shots come off, and it was fantastic. I mean, there was no rust. Here's somebody who, when he's left to himself, I think Joy was saying that he hasn't played since November 2020. He wrote a letter to the Hyderabad Cricket Association saying, please look into the corruption that is going on here. And he was self-destructing all over there again, didn't do too well. I think he needs someone just to put an arm around and say, forget about the rest of the world. Don't go and fight with people. Don't worry about your temper. Channel everything there.
Yeah.
He'll be with you. Don't worry. And he looks good. I mean, Why can't he play another year? Why can't he play? He looked all right in the field. And look at the other thing MS did. I mean, I know without seeming to have done much in the game, you're talking a lot about him. Kedar Jadhav, good finisher. MS Dhoni, good finisher. Kedar Jadhav doesn't come out to bat. MS Dhoni doesn't come out to bat. Why do the two left-handers go out? He knows there's a Krunal Pandya over there. And what did those two left-handers do? They hit 28 of 11 balls.
Yeah.
Suddenly, Sam Curran's thinking, I'm $1 million man. The best, I mean, the great MS Dhoni is asking me to go out in that situation. So 28 of 11 balls, the two left-handers went out and did it. Why didn't Dhoni come out to bat? Because Dhoni always plays 3 or 4 dot balls against left-arm spin early on when it's pinged into his pads. So he says, this is not my role. Left-hander, you go, that's your role. Brilliant.
Yeah, it really was. And I mean, that's the thing, right? With MS Dhoni's captaincy, you see these things that keep on coming.